fabulous are sheep? Wool is a wonder fibre. It is a natural insulator, inherently fire retardant, easy to clean, and has natural bouncebackability. Its natural resource is one of life's wonders. Our wool is ethically sourced from around the world. It's cleaned and spun into yarn. Sometimes the yarn is dyed, sometimes not. So versatile and not just a carpet. Wool fibre is great on its own or can be mixed with other fibres to give different textile carpet designs. Different manufacturing processes offer feel-good differences: high-low loops, herringbones, stripes, flatweave or deep pile. Be kind to our planet and tread lightly. Wool carpets are carpets with a conscience.